I tell you, we have some famous people in the house today. Please face forward. Oh, please stand. You guys know the routine. Right hand up. Over your heart. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to our Oklahoma flag. Attention, salute. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Alrighty. Who are we?
We are Trout Wildcats!
Who are we?
We are leaders! We are friends! We are humble! We are creative! We are disciplined!
What do we do?
We always stand high! We always show passion! We always do our best!
We are a team. We are winners. Beautiful job. Please be seated. Guys, you are so adorable. Okay, let's remember that we have assembly procedures. We are not visiting. Voice is off for a moment of silence. All right, amazing job. Guys, we had so much fun last night. I want to thank everyone who came. But to start off, I would like my teachers who dressed up as famous book characters to come to the stage. We need a picture of this. Oh my goodness, why do we have a shovel? Holes. Holes. Who's read the book Holes? Yes, I love it. And this lady, she looks prettier every day and absolutely stunning in her outfit. Who are you?
Junie B. Jones, but I promise.
She says she is not a crook. Do you guys agree? She's a really great, beautiful person.
I'm Junie B. Jones too, and I have a peep in my pocket.
A peep in her pocket? Is that from a book? Ooh. I can't even look at this one without laughing. Fly guy buzz. Miss Frizzle. I love Miss Frizzle.
Miss Frizzle.
Oh, you both look so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
We go to Hogwarts.
Oh, how many of you have read any books that have Hogwarts in them? Okay, let's get close so someone can get a picture of our beautiful teachers. Do you have a phone, Miss Callie? Teachers? Phone? Oh, good. Here we go. Miss Abby's handling it. Oh, you guys are beautiful. All right, teachers, if you have not signed your certificates, they are here. And then I want to go over to my beautiful fourth graders. If you are dressed as a book character, oh yeah, baby, please stand. Come on, fourth grade. I want you up on the stage. Climb up those steps, babies. Beautiful. I would like this second grade line. If you're dressed as a famous book character, come on, I want to show you off. Come on, thing one, thing two. Join my fourth grade. Miss Taylor, second grade, if you are dressed as a famous book character, let's have you join this party. So this is second and fourth. Oh, you look so good, Caitlin. I love it. Come on. Where are my third grade classes? Third grade, if you're dressed as a famous book character, come on, I want to show off your good looks. Are you a famous book character? Let's go get on stage. One. All right, Miss Novel is going to arrange you for the best. Oh, you look so good. All right. Blakely, who are you?
I'm looking for magic school bus.
Magic School Bus. I gotta know this one. A lot of you guys, I know who you are. Get over here, Panda. Who are you?
I'm from Pug Diaries.
From Pug Diaries. You look so amazing. Caitlin, who are you?
Anna.
Oh, you're Anna. And who is the smart cookie?
Aspen.
Aspen, what book are you from, my love? The book is called The Smart Cookie. We're gonna watch it. With the I know.
I'm a dragon from Lisa.
Whoa, it is such a beautiful mask. Alrighty. So we have second, third, fourth. Oh, my fifth graders want to come. Let's let fifth grade. We can get everybody. How about kindergarten then? Come on out, kindergarten. Okie dokie. Oh my goodness, would you guys squeeze in here? Put somebody here. I want to see everyone in the picture. Come on, somebody come forward. Come on, Colton, come right here. You can step on your fingers. All right, famous book character. My goodness, I need first. Let's get this picture for our yearbook. Well, you guys, our parents love us so much. They work so hard. Okay. Hey, let's stop right there, Maddie. I'm going to put you guys in front row. Follow me. They come this way. Follow me, front row. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Stand on this side. Alrighty, here we go. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, if you're in the front row, go back. This is the front row. If you're in the next front row, go back. Do you need help? Do you need help? Back row, you can go on the stairs down. We're gonna go on the stairs. All right. Should we let you three slide down? Let's get this over with. All righty, classroom teachers, come on up. Let's give out our awards. We are celebrating. We're gonna go this way. We're celebrating Wildcat of the Week compete. Thank you for everyone who dressed up. Awesome. Class. Classity class. Now, you notice we have a lot of parents in the house. I mean, I know they probably didn't want to see the book character stuff because they're really here for this. If you are a recipient of one of these, it's a big deal. Classroom teachers can only choose one student. So you must be very competitive. You must work hard to achieve your goals, and you just shine, shine, shine. So let's start right here with Miss Pratt.
My Wildcat Way compete recipient is Braylon Jan, but unfortunately she's sick, so I'll save it for her. For Miss Duffy's class, we chose Leland Holden. All right, for Miss Butler's kindergarten class, I chose Hartley Smith.
You can tell it runs in the family. For Mrs. Holder's kindergarten class, I chose Camden Holden.
For Mrs. Chambers' second grade class, I chose Shane Taylor.
For Miss Taylor's second grade, I chose Zariah Good.
Mrs. Bailey's fourth grade, Alex Benzini.
Miss Myatt's fourth grade, Jenny Marcos.
For PE, I chose Grady Simmons.
For Mr. Walter's third grade class, Kaylin Gracie. For my third grade class, Vidhi Patel.
For Mrs. Minson's fifth grade class, I chose Noah Riley Anderson.
For Miss Rice's fifth grade class, I chose Grammy Whammy Sandoval.
For music, Miss Cole picked Lauren Bailey. And then for art, I picked Zeppelin Sweezy in second grade.
All right, parents, they're going to be getting some great group pictures over there. And now we're going to go to our typical Friday awards. All righty. Guys, let's get this going. I want to do Wildcat Way. Aria Casillas, 25% ST Math. Come on, Aria. Oh, Keandra has passed list A. Come on, Keandra. I heard that one of your classmates said, "Ooh, baby girl." Good job, Keandra. From Miss Chambers' class, Mason, third quarter AR goal. From Miss Butler's class, Kyla Gracie, 300 books. From Miss Taylor's class, Xander Bozo, third quarter AR goal done. Not yet? Okay. How about Miss Cora Grant, third quarter AR goal? Wow, Miss Rice, this is a new one. Mike Barnett, 144% of his AR goal. Good job, Mike. I wonder what he did to do that. Is it a huge book? Miss Vivian Sledge, 105% of her AR goal. Maddie Howard, who passed list B. That's my girl. Okay, I have some fifth graders coming too. Is Oliver Nishizawa? List B for Miss Callie's class. Is Oliver there? Oliver, come on. Come on. Mr. Mike. My video. Congratulations. List B, guys. Come on. Let's cheer that one third grade voices off. Riley Wright has doubled her third quarter AR goal. Oh, Riley. All right, let's give them a round of applause. All right, boys and girls, you can head back. Now, I promise, my loves, the last thing, and I'll get you a good class. I know your booties are sore. Scarlett from first grade Pratt is a Wildcat Way ticket winner. Is Scarlett here? Okay, how about Raj from 5th grade? Come on, Raj. 4th grade, Bailey Collin. 4th grade, Bailey Trevin. 5th grade, Rice, Bella. 3rd grade, Day, Allie. 2nd grade, Taylor, Kenley. 2nd grade, Taylor, Talia. Let's make sure we have 1st grade Pratt. Scarlett. Peekaboo, I see you. Okay, how about this one? Did we get David from 1st grade Pratt? We need David. David! Okay, and then let's make sure we have Grayson from 2nd grade Chambers. Do we have Grayson? Come on. Oh, there's Grayson, all right. Guys, thank you for earning these tickets. I know you've done something very kind or very smart and intelligent in your class. Now I'm going to say, watch your teachers for dismissal. Have a fantastic Friday.